This is a veranda cabin, category Victor Bravo VB, cabin 5003. We're the second from the front of the boat. We've got lots of closet space here, and another one here. Hallways are a bit narrow, but that's not bad. You get lots of space, and of course you've got a safe there. Take a quick look into the bathroom, and as you can see, it is a tub slash shower. You've got your soap and toiletries and stuff in the little slots there. Some different lotion, and got a king size bed, which is basically two beds pushed together. We do have a little plug-in USB on the side table here. More space for books or reading stuff. Climate control. And flat screen TV. A couple of hangers for jackets, which is quite nice. And then another seating area, and again another USB port. So that's great. You can have charging on both sides of the bed. And we've got more plug-ins here. A couple USBs down there. And beverage station. There is a mini bar which does come stocked. You can have it unstocked if you would like to put your own drinks in there. And then we have the balcony here. So a couple of tables. You can ask the cabin doors to be closed, or sorry, opened if you've got a neighboring partner. And we are right beside the Royal Caribbean, and we're all headed to Alaska.